Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you an order from BEEBEECRAFT, and I am so excited. Every time I work with BEEBEECRAFT, this is a collaboration. They reach out to me and ask if I'm interested in trying out any of their products, and I am always inspired and overwhelmed by the number of choices that they have of things to work with. Many of the items are for paper crafting, and many of the items are paper crafting adjacent, which is what I would call this. A lot of people will use these kind of charms and jewels and things for jewelry making, and I actually really like to make dangles with them. I'm just going to give you a really close look at all of those. Now these are silver backed, so it's a nice variety because a lot of the things I have are gold back. Here's an example of how I use something like these charms. I make these dangles off the side of a scrapbook album, and this is like really nice to have a good variety of textures. So this is one of the gold ones that I've done, and you can see how in amongst here I will have a variety of different types of materials. So it's really nice to add charms and things like this. And with the gold backing, I have a lot to work with, but now that I have some silver, it adds to what I can create with a silver theme. Another paper crafting adjacent item is this set of markers. Now I make paper crafts, and I do the stamps, like the seals on the back of an envelope, and to be able to highlight the features of that specific stamp, it's really nice to color it along with one of these markers. And you can see here what the tip looks like. So it works really well, and I'm going to show you in a future video how I'm going to work with those, because I loved the colors. I currently had two colors that were the gold and silver. So to be able to add some of these other colors that I really like working with, like the pinks, the mauves, even just the white, or the green, like olive blue, all of these colors are such a nice combination for the pastel-y tones that I usually am drawn to in my paper crafts. And then the last two items are very specific paper crafting items, and I'm very excited about both of them. I've really been getting into cutting dies lately, and the number of cutting dies that BEEBEECRAFT has on their website is like, it's difficult to choose from because there's such a great selection. So this is a really fun set. It is a happy birthday set, and I can already see making a gorgeous shaker balloon with these, because they're not only are they nesting balloons, but look at the detail. They have the stitching around that. I love when the nesting dies have that stitched effect. So you can see how they have like the little balloon parts on there, so you can make all different sizes. And then they also have, unbelievably, the regular string. So you could do string in a variety of ways. You could draw it in, you could actually use a piece of twine, you could use the ones that they have here, or they even have two, one that says love and one that says happy birthday, that is meant to be a string for the balloon. And to make matters even better, they've got this gorgeous gift box where you can pop out these balloons from the gift that's opening up. Like maybe, yeah, it goes this way. So you can have, you're opening a gift and the balloons are floating out. Like, it's just such a fun set of dies there to work with. So many dies in that one combination. And then actually, this is also very similar themed set as well. It's another sort of birthday / love theme. It is the cutest. I've never seen anything like this. And like I said, they had so many dies to choose from. It was really hard. But and show you this balloon set. And I think this will be fantastic for making cards because the first die was so large, I could see it being really good for a scrapbook layout. But look at this. So these are all the pieces for a vehicle. And you basically will create a little car, and you have all of the pieces here that you need to make all the layers. And then these parts can come off, but these balloons say happy, so you can cut that out. And then the license plate for the car makes it so that you could make a Valentine or anniversary, or just general I love you, a Halloween, an Easter, a birthday card. So that is going to be so much fun. So you can see how this is all going to sort of come together. You'll see it better once I actually make some cards and show you what that looks like. So I will leave links down below to BeebeeCraft and all the products that I have received from them. There's also a discount code if you're interested in purchasing any of these items yourself. That will also be in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you want to see what I create with these that I just received, stay tuned and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.